A compound microscope has a magnifying power of 100. Magnification is equal to 100 when the image is formed at infinity. The image is formed at infinity. That is normal adjustment. That is normal adjustment. That is normal adjustment means relaxed eyes. The image is formed at infinity. It means a real image is produced at infinity only when the object is kept at the focus of eyepiece. So the image is formed at the infinity. The objective has a focal length. Objective has a focal length of 0.5 centimeter. The objective has a focal length, and tube length is 6.5 centimeter. Tube length is equal to 6.5 centimeter. As you know, the image is formed at infinity. Then we can draw the diagram like this. This is the compound microscope. Object is kept here. Image is formed like this here. And this is the eyepiece. This is eyepiece. This is objective. And the image to be formed at infinity, it means the image to be formed at infinity means the image is formed at infinity. It means the object for this eyepiece to be kept at the focal length of the eyepiece. Because if the object is this serves as this image by this length, behaves as an object for this length, it means if this object is kept at focal length, then only the image will be formed at infinity. So the tube length is given by, when tube length, it means this distance from here to here is V0, that is image distance by the objective, and this is U0, and from here it is equal, this is equal to image distance of eyepiece, which is nothing but FE, because the object distance from the eyepiece is UE, in which the object has to be kept at the focal length of the eyepiece. It means UE is equal to FE. Then tube length in this case, tube length is equal to the length, distance between both the length, which is equal to V0 plus this distance UE, that is nothing but FE. This is the tube length, and it's also given L is equal to, the tube length is equal to 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter is equal to V0 plus FE. Any other data? F0 is also, F0 is given. So this we can treat it as the first equation. So it means, if we have well understood, if the image is to be formed at infinity, the object should be kept at the focal length of the eyepiece, which serves as the object distance for the eyepiece. Now L is equal to V0 plus, this is the first equation. Then for objective, 1 by V0, let's formula 1 by V0 minus 1 by U0 is equal to 1 by F0. 1 by F0. Okay, now what is the magnification? Magnification for the relaxed eye is equal to minus V0 by F0, V0 by U0 into d by focal length of eyepiece for a compound microscope when the image is formed at infinity. This is the equation for magnification. So we should find out V naught by U naught. For objective using Lensmaker's formula, multiplying LHS and RHS by V naught, this becomes V naught by V naught minus V naught by U naught is equal to V naught by F naught. Or you can say this is 1, this is equal to 1 when it goes that side. V naught by U naught is equal to V naught by F naught. This one when goes that side, it will become minus 1. So putting this one, this is equal to minus V naught by U naught is equal to V naught. What is V naught? V naught we do not know. V naught minus F naught. Okay. Now magnification is equal to V naught by U naught, which we can write V naught by F naught minus 1. This is the expression minus V naught. This we are replacing by this one into d by Fe. Since d is equal to least distance of distinction is equal to 25 centimeter for a normal human being. So in this case we can write m as it is, m is given 100 is equal to V naught. What is V naught? V naught is equal to V naught divided by F naught. F naught is equal to 0.5, which we can write it as half centimeter divided by half minus 1 into d is equal to 25 divided by Fe. In that case, this becomes 100 is equal to 2 into V naught minus 1 into 25 by Fe. 25 B, that this equation becomes Fe, we take it this side, 100 Fe is equal to 2 into V naught minus 1 into 25. So multiply this one, 4 into Fe is equal to 2 V naught minus 1, or 2 V naught minus 4 Fe is equal to 1. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. Tube length. M is equal to, what is the first equation? Tube length. This is the first equation. So we solve this one. V naught, putting this first, V naught plus Fe is equal to 6.5. This is the first equation. And solving, multiplying this by 2. This becomes 2 V naught, multiplying by 4. Multiplying these equations, equation number 1 by 4. This will become 4 V naught plus 4 Fe is equal to 6.5 into 4. 6.5, 6 into 6, 24, 24 plus 26. Then adding it, when we add it, this becomes 6 V naught plus 0 is equal to 27, or V naught is equal to 27 by 6. So therefore V naught is equal to 25 by 6, which is equal to 27, 4 times, and 2 times 5 times, 4.5 centimeter. So V naught is equal to 4.5 centimeter. We have to find out the focal length of the eyepiece. Focal length of the eyepiece, from this we can take this equation number 1. Equation number 1, what is equation number? Focal length. Fe plus V naught is equal to 6.5, or Fe is equal to 6.5 minus 4.5 is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, the focal length of the eyepiece is equal to 2.5 centimeter. The focal length of objective and eyepiece of a compound microscope is 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. That is, focal length of eyepiece is equal to 5 centimeter and focal length of objective is equal to 2 centimeter, and the distance between them is 20 centimeter. That is, the distance between both the eyepiece and objective is 20 centimeter. That is, we can say the length of the compound microscope is equal to 20 centimeter. Find the distance of object from objective when final image is seen by eye is 25 centimeter. It means the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. That is, final image at D. Therefore, VE is equal to D is equal to 25 centimeter. It is negative because image is formed in front of the lens against the ray direction. So we know first we have to find out what is mainly the magnifying power. Magnifying power is given by amp is equal to minus V naught by U naught. Since it is final image is formed at D, so this will become 1 plus D by Fe. This is the magnification. Okay, now we have to find out V naught and U naught. First, he is asking find the object, find the distance of object from the object distance. So we have to find out U naught, V naught, both. So for eyepiece, using lens formula 1 by VE minus 1 by UE is equal to 1 by FE. So VE, as it is, VE is given as 25 centimeter. So we find out 1 by UE is equal to, we take it the other side, 1 by VE minus 1 by FE. Since 1 by, therefore 1 by UE is equal to 1 by VE. 1 by VE is equal to 25 centimeter in front of the lens. That's why we put minus 25 minus FE is equal to 1 by FE. FE, focal length of the eyepiece, is equal to 5. So therefore we take the minus outside. This will become 1 by 25 plus 1 by 5. This is equal to minus 25 taken as common, and this is 1 plus 5. Therefore 1 by UE is equal to minus 6 by 25, or UE is equal to 25 by 6 minus, because the the object distance for the eyepiece is formed in front of the eyepiece, which is the image formed by the objective. So E is equal to 25 centimeter. It will come in centimeter. So UE already found out from the length of the tube. So since the length of the tube, L is equal to, since image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision, so length of the tube is equal to V naught. That is image distance of objective plus modulus of UE. For when that this is the distance when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, that is at 25 centimeters. So we have to find out V naught. So V naught is equal to L minus V naught is equal to L minus modulus of UE is equal to L minus L. What is the L is given as length of the tube is given 20 centimeter minus UE is equal to minus of 25 by 6 and modulus of UE, that is object distance of eyepiece is equal to 20, modulus value is equal to 25 by 6, which is equal to 120 minus 25 divided by 6. Therefore V naught is equal to 95 by 6 centimeter. So we have found out V naught also. Now we have to find out U naught. U naught also, taking the by using the lens formula for the objective. 1 by V naught, 1 by V naught minus 1 by U naught is equal to 1 by F naught. 1 by V naught, what is 1 by, or you can write 1 by U naught, you take it other side, 1 by V naught minus 1 by F naught. Since V naught, this is the lens, another lens, the image, this is F, E, the object is formed here, and it is seen the image is formed at least distance of distinction, that is this distance. So this distance is V naught, this distance is UE. So this is the image. Okay, so 1 by F naught, 1 by U naught is equal to 1 by V naught. This is V naught and this is V naught. So V naught is equal to the other side, this is the ray direction, the other side it will be positive value. 1 by V naught is equal to 1 by V naught value is equal to, V naught is equal to 95 by 6. 1 by V naught is equal to 1 by 95/6 minus 1 by F naught. F naught is equal to focal length of the objective, that is 1 by 2. This is equal to 6 by 95 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 12 minus 95 divided by 190, which is equal to minus 83 by 190. Therefore, U naught, the object distance of object, is equal to 190 by 83 negative, because the object, this is equal to U naught. U naught is in front of the objective. This is objective, this is eyepiece. That's why it is negative value. This is the value of object distance of objective is equal to 190 by 93 centimeter. Since we already find out the value of the things, that is object distance of eyepiece is equal to 25 by 6 centimeter, which is negative quantity because it is formed in front of the eyepiece, and image of the object, image distance of the objective is equal to 95 by 6 centimeter, which is positive, and object distance of objective is equal to 190 by 83 centimeter minus, because this is the objective and this is the eyepiece. The image is kept here, it will form the image here, and another day it will form here. This is the image formed by the objective, and that serves as the object for the eyepiece. So this is the focal length of the eye. So this from here to here is V naught, from here to here is UV, and the image for this is formed at this place, that is VE is equal to D, which is equal to 25 centimeter. Then the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. So therefore we have to find out now the magnification. Magnification of the compound microscope when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. So magnification when the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision is equal to minus of V naught by U naught into 1 plus D by FE. So here we need not to put the sign, V naught is plus, U naught is minus, we need not to put the sign conversion, because this formula is already derived using the by putting the sign convention. So we will put only the numerical value, not with the sign. So which is equal to minus V naught is equal to 95 by 6 and U naught is equal to 190 by 83 into 1 plus D is equal to 25, least distance of distribution, and FE is equal to 5. This portion become minus 95 by 6 into 83 by 190 into 25. 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So this 6 and this 6 cancels. 95 is equal to 19 times when divided by 5. This is equal to 3 times into 3 times into 8 times. So magnification of the microscope when the image is kept at least distance of distinction is equal to minus 19 into 83 by 38, whose value comes out to be MD is equal to minus 41.5. That is, the magnifying power is equal to 41.5. This is the magnifying power of the compound microscope when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision.